Hi there, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to discuss about whether Meta algorithm can influence or even control your sales. Let's roll out with that. Meta has already categorized everyone. Suppose in Bangladesh 1 lakh people watch video every day. They don't have any work, they just scroll Facebook and start watching video. Now if you want video views, then Meta will place your ad in front of all those person who watch videos regularly. Now if you want engagement message, not sell, Meta can deliver you a tons of messages. Literally you will get flooded with messages, but actual sales will be extremely very low. Meta categorize people based on their interest like education, tech, business, sports, movie and others. Meta just make a primary selection among them. After this, it start categorize them again, like who prefer watching reels, who engage with post, who click on links and went to another website, who buy products, submit lead forms. Meta identifies the people most likely to purchase based on their behavior, interest and other parameters. I have discussed about this Meta in my another video. Then it makes another category who just comes to your page, asks about the price of your product but they don't buy. Let me give an example so that you can understand it easily. You have selected a room and there you keep 100 people. Among them 10 people are so rich, like they are the rich kid, their parents are so rich, they don't worry about their money. They just buy what they like, no matter about the price. And 90 other people, they cannot afford so much money to buy. Now if you want to sell a car or like any luxury good, if you go to this room where the 90 people are present but their economic condition is not so good and you try to sell your product in front of them, what will happen? Can you guess? Right, nobody afford to buy this. But if you take your luxury good in front of the rich kid, obviously they will buy it without any hesitation. Meta do the same. It already categorizes the people who has enough purchasing power. Yesterday I went to the market. I noticed that the shopkeeper graded the tomato in his stall by size and freshness. The bigger and fresh looking tomato already keep aside. He will sell them at high price. On the other hand, the smaller and less fresh tomato were kept in another side. He will sell them at a low price. Meta do exactly the same thing. If you are a high paying client, Meta will sort you and keep you in another category. And Meta will charge more for this high value client. If you want to place ad in front of all this kind of high value client, you have to pay more money to Meta. For an example, you have seen that if you run awareness campaign, you will find out that the CPM is much more lower. Like with $1, Meta will reach your ad in front of 10,000 or 20,000 customer. But if you choose sales objective, it will reach your ad to 1,000 people and it will cost up to $1 or $2. When Facebook install properly on your website, Meta can easily understand who is visiting your website, who is doing add to cart, who is doing purchases, and all that person are already doing add to cart but they didn't purchase. If I watch a tripod on Daraz, Meta will get the information that Tarek, go to Daraz and watch the product. Click details, go to add to cart, but somehow Tarek came back from Daraz website. Now what Meta will do? Meta will try to find out where is Tarek, find him. Okay, Tarek is watching reels on Facebook now. Target Tarek, show the ad right inside. Now Tarek is now in Messenger, chatting with his friend. So target Tarek and show the ad on Messenger. As Facebook already understand that I have an interest on the tripod which I have seen on Daraz but did not buy at that time. So he showed the product of tripod every time and everywhere. This is the power of Pixel. Now if you are running send message ad, Meta actually cannot see who is going to your website, who has interest on your product. It almost like playing a blindfold tag with Meta. You cover its eye with a cloth and run ad and then sell Meta, bring me sale. Of course it will work like a blind person as he cannot see anything from his eyes because it doesn't know who has interest on your product, who already bought your product. Then how you will expect that Meta will optimize your ad properly? When it's get enough data through Pixel, it start optimize your ad properly. For an example, it places the ad in front of 100 people in a region and it find out that they are not interacting with the ad. Suddenly, it will optimize the ad and place the ad in front of another region people. And if Meta find out that they are interacting with your ad, they are purchasing from your ad, it will increase the budget for this specific region. If students are buying more, then it won't place the ad in front of job holders. That's how optimization works. Meta has invested billions of dollars in their data center to improve their infrastructure. All you need to do just provide data. Meta will do the rest. Meta algorithm categorize everyone. Suppose a person buy 50 plus products in a month. It will categorize him as A category, and who rarely buy from Meta, it will categorize them to the F category. They have the less purchasing power, and the A category people has high purchasing power. Now if Meta plays all the ad in front of A category people, what will happen? Everyone will buy it, so Meta cannot do enough profit through this. So he mixed the audience by using A to F category and make a audience pool. This way Meta tries to maintain 1:5 ratio. Suppose you spend $1, Meta will give you $5 in return. Now if you want view content, Meta already know all that person who just go to website and view the details of the product. Now if you want add to cart, it will place the ad in front of all those people who are frequently doing add to cart but they did not purchase. They are the people of confused mind. Imagine you are on a super shop, you purchase so much product and keep on your bag, and before going to the counter you start thinking, do I really need this? Do I really need this chocolate? Do I really need this biscuit? Okay, if I buy it later, it won't be so much problem. I will buy it after getting my salary or after a few days. Keep the product on the stall again and purchase the other items. They are the people of confused mind. Meta knows this type of people very much, who frequently do add to cart but then think, okay, if I buy it later, it will be okay, no problem. Obviously, human mind, sometimes they can buy but most of the people won't. Now you have to decide what you want from Meta. If you want sale, then obviously you have to select sales objective, no add to cart, no view content, no awareness, no engagement, just sales. Then Meta will target those type of people who have previous history to buy any product. Here cost per impression will be higher but you will get enough sale. So just tell Meta what you want, it will give you the desired result. So in a nutshell, Meta can influence your sales, but you have to make a top-notch ad creative, well optimized website, and make sure the pixel is working properly and sending the data to Meta. Now Meta will do the rest. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, then please subscribe on my channel.